Good morning, students. Today onwards, we are going to start our 12th standard chemistry. So, this is your second volume chemistry book. In this book, first we are going to learn unit number 11, hydroxyl compound and ether. So, take page number 132, ether, unit number 11. Ether means what? That is one of the compound. Which compound is called as ether? This type of compounds is called as ether. Which compound contains this structure means those compounds are called as ether. That is, oxygen is linked with two alkyl groups. Oxygen is linked with two alkyl groups. So, here O means oxygen, R means alkyl. So, usually alkyl groups is represented by symbol R. So, this type of compounds is called as ether. Oxygen is linked with two alkyl group. What do you mean by alkyl group? What do you mean by alkyl group? Methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl, heptyl and so on. These groups are collectively known as alkyl group. Already you have studied methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl, heptyl, octyl, nonyl, decyl. All these groups are collectively known as alkyl. So, ether means what? Oxygen is linked with two alkyl group means this is called as ether. So, in this paragraph totally 3 points are given. The first point is ethers are a class of organic compound in which an oxygen atom is connected by alkyl group or aryl group. Aryl means what? That comes from aromatic. Aryl name that comes from aromatic. Aromatic means benzene ring. So, oxygen is connected with two alkyl group or aryl group, that is benzene ring. This is first point. Second point, ethers can be considered as derivatives of hydrocarbon. Ethers can be considered as derivative of hydrocarbon, which one hydrogen atom is replaced by alkoxy or aryl oxy. In hydrocarbon, one hydrogen is replaced by alkoxy group or aryl oxy group means you will get ether. See one example, ROR, this is ether. The example for ether is CH3OCH3. Instead of R, here we are using methyl alkyl group, methyl group. So, here oxygen is attached with two methyl group. This is the example for ether. Ether is considered as a derivative of hydrocarbon. That means from hydrocarbon, by using hydrocarbon, we can get ether. How? Take one example. Hydrocarbon means what? Only those compounds contain hydrogen and carbon means that compounds are called as hydrocarbon. Example for that hydrocarbon is methane. Methane means CH4. Carbon is attached with 4 hydrogen. In this compound, one hydrogen is replaced by OCH3 group. In methane, one hydrogen is replaced by OCH3 group means you will get CH3OCH3. See here, CH3OCH3. So, in hydrocarbon, in methane, one hydrogen is replaced by alkoxy means, that is here methoxy taken. One hydrogen is replaced by methoxy group means you will get ether. So, only ether can be considered as the derivatives of hydrocarbon, that is which one hydrogen atom is replaced by alkoxy or aryl oxy group. methane, one hydrogen is replaced by OCH3 group. This group is called as methoxy group. Why it is called as methoxy, sir? Because this group contains methyl plus oxygen. Already you know O means oxygen, CH3 means methyl, methyl plus oxygen means methoxy group. So here hydrogen is replaced by methoxy group, means you will get ether. So only ether can be considered as derivative of hydrocarbon, which one hydrogen atom is replaced by alkoxy or aryl oxy. Aryl oxy. What mean by aryl oxy? Oxy means oxygen. Yes. Aryl means aromatic. Aromatic means benzene. Formula of the benzene is already you have studied, already you know, C6H6 benzene. So here OR means OC6H5 group. And third point, the general formula of aliphatic ether is CnH2n plus 2O. This is the general formula of ether. By using this formula, we can get the molecular formula for ether, all the ethers. See some examples. If n equal to 2 means, if you substitute 2 in this equations means, in these formulas means, you will get C2H6O. Instead of n, you have to put 2. So C2 for n equal to 2 means H6. So C2H6O. If you substitute n equal to 2 in this formula means, you will get C2H6O. Like that, n equal to 3 means C3H8O. Like that, n equal to 4 means C4H10O. If you substitute n equal to 1 means, yeah, as per formula you will get CH4O, but that is, this n equal to 1 is not applicable for this formula, because ether should contain minimum 2 carbon. If you substitute n equal to 1 means it contains only 1 carbon, so this is not applicable. So it started with 2 only, not from 1, it is started from 2. So in this paragraph 3 points are given. First point, ether means oxygen is linked with 2 alkyl groups or aryl groups. Second point, ether can be considered as a derivative of hydrocarbon. That means what? In hydrocarbon, one hydrogen is replaced by alkoxy or aryl oxy, means you will get ether. That is the second point. And third point, ether can be represented by one general molecular formula, that is CnH2n plus 2O. If you substitute n equal to 2 means you will get C2H6O. If you substitute n equal to 3 means you will get C3H8O. Like that you will get. Next one, classification of ether. Ether can be classified into 2. One is simple ether, another one mixed ether. Very simple topic. Classification, ether classified into 2. One is simple ether, another one mixed ether. Simple ether means what? If oxygen is linked with 2 same alkyl group means, that is called as simple ether. In this example, oxygen is linked with 2 same methyl group. Here also methyl, here also methyl. If oxygen is attached to the 2 same alkyl group means, that is called as simple ether. Another example, phenoxybenzene. In these examples also, oxygen is attached with 2 benzene rings. Here also one benzene ring, here also one benzene ring. Here also oxygen is attached with 2 same benzene ring. So this is called as simple ether. So simple ether means what? Both alkyl or aryl group attached to the oxygen atoms are same. Here also 2 alkyl groups are same. Here also 2 alkyl groups are same. with oxygen. The next one, mixed ether. Mixed ether, if oxygen is attached with two different alkyl group means that is called as mixed ether. See this example, 2-methoxypropane. In this example, oxygen is attached with a methyl, and in this side oxygen is attached with a, totally it contains 3 carbon. So propyl, isopropyl. So oxygen is attached with one methyl and here one isopropyl. Two different groups are attached. So this is mixed ether. Another example, see this example. In these examples also, oxygen is attached with two different alkyl groups. In this side methyl group and in this side one benzene ring. Both are different group, not same. If oxygen is attached with two different group means that is called as mixed ether. Two alkyl or aryl groups attached to the oxygen atoms are different. So this is the classification of ether. Ether classified into two. One is simple ether, another one mixed ether. Simple ether means oxygen attached with two same alkyl group means oxygen attached with two same alkyl group means that is called as simple ether. If oxygen is attached with two different alkyl group means oxygen is attached with two different alkyl group means that is called as mixed ether. And based on this example, one more classification is also given, that is ether classified into two. One is aliphatic ether, another one aromatic ether. If two alkyl groups are attached to the oxygen means that is called as aliphatic ether. Two alkyl groups are attached with the oxygen means that is called as aliphatic ether. Second one, aromatic ether, oxygen, any one or both of the groups attached to the ethereal oxygen is aryl group. That means aryl group, either one or two aryl groups are attached with the oxygen means that compounds are coming under the category of aromatic ethers. So based on this example, one more classification is also given. One is aliphatic ether, another one aromatic ether. Aliphatic ether means what? Oxygen is linked with two alkyl group means, already I told alkyl group. If oxygen is linked with two alkyl group means that is aliphatic ethers. If oxygen is linked with either one or two, in this example oxygen is linked with two aryl group. In this example oxygen is linked with one aryl group. So oxygen is linked with either one or both aryl groups are attached with the oxygen means that is called as aromatic ether. This is the classification. So the questions comes from the topic, they may ask like what? Ethers, what is ether and explain its classification. Explain the classification of ether, like that they may ask. For that you have to write the definition of ether and this classification part along with this example. Thank you.